How to fix Microsoft Teams scroll bar is missing in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Close Microsoft Teams by right-clicking the Teams icon in the system tray and selecting Quit. If the issue persists, restart your PC by clicking the Start menu, selecting the Power option, and choosing Restart. This method removes temporary files that may be corrupt or cause the application to malfunction. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Delete all content. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, if that didn't work, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.